how to install USGA app, golf scores and highlights. So just tap get and just double click to install. So USGA app is a new official digital home for all USGA championships, including 2023 Open, US Open and US Women's Open. So this is like US Golf Association app. It's one place where you can check out all the scores, get ticketing. They have tickets in collaboration with AXS Tickets. And then, yeah, you can get notifications about favorite players, highlights, lead changes, and everything just in this app. And then, yeah, you can just get started. You can just allow notifications, allow location. Then there is some tutorial. And then, yeah, here is how it looks like. You can just read through the latest news, everything in one feed. You can see all the press conferences. There is an official shop where you can just shop all the different items. There are all like discounts, deals. You can get all these caps, t-shirts. Then you see tee times. You can see courses available, and then yeah, you can see more here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's how it works. You can see in progress championships, you can see upcoming championships, and then you can also purchase tickets here as well. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. I don't know if it's available on Android, for sure available on iOS. Thanks for watching.